смотрит в небо, ждет ответа.
What up, everyone? Welcome back to another great video. Today, we started this absolute legend of an engine. I mean, for the setup we were running, this thing ran amazing. I'm excited to get wherever the green car is prepped. Put the, just, get it ready. Next video should be on the green car where we start prepping it, blow it up, whatever. We'll see. But yeah, enjoy the video. All the socials in the bio. I don't even care. I just like posting these videos, and yeah, enjoy.
1,000 horsepower. And guess what sticker we're gonna put?
What sticker are we putting on? Oh, for the sticker, I'll put it
I
on.
have a couple stickers.
Sexy Doc Martin.
We're here with Kirill. We're about to do these injectors. Тут с Кириллом. Инжектора сейчас будем делать. Можно сразу тоже прочистить. Get this done. When I was in the junkyard, I was kicking. I had to rip this whole thing out because I wasn't. You'll see in this video how bad it was, but yeah. We're gonna scuff up these valve covers real quick. Spray them red. I think it'll look sick, but you know. It's better than mine. Welcome to the short segment of me and David of how to make your engine look like it's worth $2,000. Woo! 50 grand. Basically,
this engine is gonna, bro. You're looking at AMG Mercedes right here.
Red Rocket, baby. This thing about damn near assembled, brother. Trying to figure out these injectors and why they're not going on, but I assembled everything pretty much, and then throttle body's on. No. Alright, we got the dingleberries poking out. Injectors are in. Now we're going to run the lines and run the wiring harness, splice it together and everything.
But make sure that needs to go into the tank.
Which one?
I'll spit on you. Did you already fill it up with
Watch my leaks.
Работает, все. Alright. Не сейчас, сейчас. Okay. Okay, let's see. Purge that. What you mean nothing?
No, у меня на массу.
True. There is some gas in there. What? I'm so scared.
Is the battery in the way of the flower?
No, that's. Oh. Nothing. Stop. Okay, давай.
Сейчас, подожди. Пошли. Сейчас. Any leaks?
Doesn't seem like it.
My side's good.
Die.
Big motor, dude.
Okay. Сейчас, okay, Kirill goes first, yeah?
First, don't do it, and then I'll tell you when to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back. Trying to start this hoe.
It's not like super healthy.
We're scared. We're all
So you're saying
creeping.
all four of
But
these
everything's
are-
in, everything's
these are
good.
New gen?
Yeah. All right. I'm putting it on, brother. Ready? Последний раз, блядь. Все, давай. На победу, брат. Oh, yeah. No, okay. Be back tomorrow? Okay, I'm gonna order sensors tonight. All right, one last try before we go to Tom. One last try before the night. Ether is in. So I'm putting the gas on. Кирилл, ты держишь? Держи мотор. Да, давай. Все, я снимаю, давай. Давай. Yeah! It started. Yes! Oh. Day 2 of starting the engine. ECU came back. She should start for longer this time. Damn. That thing was way louder, bro. Oh. Alright, chill. Yeah. So, hey, good day, sir. Next video, blowing up the green BMW.
Thursday child. It's been a long time coming. It was quick though.